Let's evaluate this simple but tricky integral question. First of all, let's factorize 5 out. We have 5 integral of 1 plus cos x all over x plus sine x dx. Now put x plus sine x to be equals to z. Differentiate dz dx is going to give us 1 plus cos x. Make dx the subject. We have dx is going to be dz all over 1 plus cos x. Come back to your integral. You have 5 integral of 1 plus cos x all over our x plus sine x is z. Then dx becomes dz all over 1 plus cos x. So that this cancels this. We have 5 integral of dz all over z. When you integrate 1 over x, we have ln x. Now, when you integrate 1 over z, we are going to have ln z. This is going to be 5 ln z. And our z is x plus sine x. That's going to be 5 ln x plus sine x. So this is your answer, plus